Hello my beautiful angels and welcome back to my channel. So guys, before we start, let's not talk about the bags that are under my eyes right now, because I have new neighbours and they're renovating the house. They're literally ripping everything out by the sounds of it. So if you hear any random drilling, banging, mayhem, then that's what it is. And there's not a lot we can do about it really. I mean, in the last 3 days, today's my third day that I've been off work. And I wanted to film. Did I film? No, because there was so much banging and mayhem going on that there was just no point. So I think they've gone on their dinner break, so I'm gonna put on some makeup because I need to nip to Asda anyway, because Tony's going fishing this weekend. That means I've got a weekend on my own, which is amazing. So I need to put on some makeup, not too much makeup, just my everyday. I do like to make my eyes sparkle, so if that's not your everyday makeup, I'm sorry, but it's mine. I have put Minnie Mouse on and I have actually washed and straightened my hair, so we're doing good today. Last few days, update, last few days I've not been feeling great. I don't know why. Mental health is what it is basically, and I've not felt happy in the last few days, if I want to say that, you know, put that out there. But I'm sure we all have those days, especially at the moment with pandemic and everything still going on. I didn't really think it was going to last this long, if I'm going to be honest. But here we are, we're in 2020, we're in April, nearly the end of April, and we're still going through it. So yeah, it's had its toll on everybody. So if you are struggling with your mental health, I will put some charities down below that are really helpful. So if you are struggling, then please talk to somebody. You can talk to me if you want. I'm struggling too, girl. I'm struggling too. But yeah, I'm just going to put on a little bit of makeup, make myself feel a bit better. I've done my roots, I've washed my hair, I've straightened it, and that's made me feel a little bit better, to be honest. Sometimes a little bit of TLC, a little bit of help makes you feel a little bit better. So let's just jump straight into it, because I'm going off on a tangent here. But yeah, if you are struggling with your mental health, guys, please talk to somebody. It's easier said than done. I know, I'm in that place myself. Sometimes some days are better than others. But yeah, it is what it is, and we're all in it together. So I really don't know where this is going, but if you are struggling, I will link some charities down below for you guys. So I've already washed my face, brushed my teeth, like I say, washed my hair, which is a big accomplishment because it takes forever. So I found this in Home Bargains. It's a salicylic acid, which is absolutely amazing for your skin. So this is an exfoliating toner, so you use it every single day, night and day. So it's salicylic acid plus niacinamide, which is niacinamide's really good for your skin. I had acne skin when I was younger. Growing up, it was horrendous. And if I had known about niacinamide back then, I would have definitely have used it. So it exfoliates the skin and helps prevent breakouts and to clear up complexion. So I do have a few acne scarrings, and this, if anything with niacinamide in it, it really helps to reduce that. So I just take a little cotton pad and niacinamide, and I just, well, the salicylic acid, and I just pop it on there and just rub that all over my face before doing any makeup, because skincare is your best friend. You want to be making sure that you're doing your skincare all the time. Make sure that before you go to bed, you're doing your skincare, you're taking your makeup off. It's your best friend, guys. I cannot stress that enough. So once I've put that on, I've then been using this little guy, which is also salicylic acid. So this is the Intense Serum 2% salicylic acid. So this basically targets breakouts by helping to reduce the blemishes, pores and blackheads. So I tend to pop this on my face before I do makeup, and also I'll put it the last thing that I'll put on at night. And I must say, this has really been helping my skin so much. For moisturiser, I've been loving this simple one. So this is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturiser. I put about that much on and pop it all over the face, because like I say, I'm not getting any younger. So my best friend, and the one thing that I will concentrate on all the time, is my skincare. Now if my bra straps keep falling down, I'm gonna scream. So the next thing is primer. So we're gonna go straight into makeup now. The one that I've been loving is this one from the Body Collection. So this is the Illuminating Primer, lightweight, rich feel skin, and it's suitable for all skin types. This was about £3 and I absolutely love this primer. You do have to work quite quickly with this primer because it does set pretty quick. So you do have to work quite quickly with it. So in the day, I don't tend to use a foundation. I've been loving this Clinique Moisture Surge CC cream. It's absolutely lovely for a daytime wear, especially now it's getting warmer. This has got SPF of 30. Now SPF is so important. It's like an age reducing product and it's fantastic. It keeps your skin smoother, looking younger for longer. So I would definitely say invest in a good SPF. This is an hydrating, colour correcting cream and I love this. I've got it in light. So if you're the same kind of skin tone as me, I would go for light because it does oxidise a little bit. And I'll just blend all this in. Don't forget to go down the neck. And then any leftover, I'll go around the eyes. Just be careful you do not get this in your eyes because it does have obviously SPF in there and it can irritate the eyes. And I've learnt that the hard way. I'll then go in with this Glow Sherry from L'Oreal. So it's like a little liquid highlight. I like to pop that on the high points of my face, like my cheeks, my nose, and the Cupid's bow. It smells like oranges and I love it. And then I will just blend that in with my sponge. And it gives you that beautiful like glow from within. I just love it. For a little bit more coverage under my eyes, because I do have bags under my eyes, I'm going to be using the Fit Me from Maybelline. I have mine in the shade number 5. And I just literally put a little bit in the inner corner, the outer parts, like so. Then a little bit down my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and a little bit on the forehead. And then I'll just take my sponge. Like this routine will literally take me 10-15 minutes in the morning. Obviously, because I'm talking to you guys through my steps, it's taking me a little bit longer, but normally it will just take me at least 10-15 minutes to do this. To powder things down, I'm going to use my Poundland powder and I'll powder under the eyes. And then I'll just get my little bit of a bigger brush and just powder just to set everything in place. I'll then go in with a bronzer. So this is the Beauty Bay bronzer and I've got mine in the shade Fawn, and I'll take like an angled brush. So this one is the BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. And I'll just dab it, and then in my hairline, down my jaw, get rid of that double chin, sides of my nose. Then I'll go back in with my sponge and just blend that all out, because I like it to look natural and fresh. I'll then go in with a blush. So the blush that I've been using is the Physicians Formula Butter Blush, and I'll just use this Juicy Couture brush, and I do love me a good blush. Again, I'll go back in with my sponge just so that everything is seamless. Using my favourite setting spray. I need to find a new setting spray, but yeah, I'm going to go back in with my rose water from Primark. I went into Primark last weekend, and could I find any primer water? No, they're literally all gone. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I've been wanting to try the Morphe one. Loads of people have been raving about the Morphe one. So I am now going to go in and do my brows. So I've been using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I do like my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, but I've just not managed to get a hold of one yet. I might get one this weekend, I don't know, we'll have to see. I don't really need to do much to my brows because when I dyed my hair, I tinted my brows as well. So I'm just filling in any sparse areas because I love the feathered brow or soap brow, whatever you want to call it. I love that look. So that's what we're going to go for. That's one brow. So much easier when you've tinted your brows, I find anyway. I find it so much easier. I just literally follow the natural lines of my brow and then just fill in any sparse areas. Literally, brows are done in 2 seconds. I love it. I'm going to be setting them with the Model Co Clear Brow Gel. I'm running out of my 24-hour brow setter. That's all gone, so that's a good start, isn't it? We'll use this one that I got out of my glossy box, which was the St. Luxe Brow Gel. So this is just a clear brow gel as well. Like I say, I love that fluffy brow. Just love it. So we're going to go on to eyes now. And the palette that I've been using quite regularly every day is my Sample Beauty. This is the Equalizer Volume 2 palette. I absolutely love this palette and it's so affordable. I think it's like £21 off Beauty Bay. I will link all products that I have used today down below. But yeah, this is the one I've been using. So the first shade we'll go into is Whispering, which is like a burnt orange. I'm still like in love with the burnt oranges. I will bring you guys closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just literally putting that Whispering shade into my crease. Such a beautiful, beautiful colour. I'm then going to go into the bright orange, which is called Tan. So it's slightly underneath that Whispering shade. And then I'm just going to bring that tan colour just under my waterline. I'm then going to just use a clean brush and go into the white shade, which is called First. And I'm just going to blend any harshness away. And then with my finger, I'm going to go into my favourite shade in the palette, which is called Angel. And I'm just going to pop that all over the lid with my finger, because these just literally stick straight on and they just look absolutely incredible. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And that's literally all I do with my eyes on a daily basis anyway. So this is the eye glitter from Beauty Bay, and I'll literally just pop a tiny bit in the inner corner and then blend it out with my finger, and it just gives you that little bit of a pop, and I just love doing that just lately. All my lashes with the most disgusting eye curler. I need a new one, but we'll use this for today. So I'm just going to curl these lashes, and on an everyday I don't wear lashes, I just wear mascara. So today's mascara of choice is the Essence Lash Princess, the purple one. And to be honest, I really don't need lashes when I wear this mascara. And on an everyday basis, because we're all wearing masks well, we've all been wearing masks for like the last year. I don't tend to wear lipstick if I'm going to work or anything, or if I'm wearing a mask. So I tend to just put like a lip oil on, and the lip oil that I've been loving just lately is the Body Collection one. And this is just the Lip Crush lip gloss, and it's in clear. And that's all I've been wearing on my lips. And then I'll just spray again. Oh, almost forgot. How could I forget to put the highlighter on? So I'm using the Huda Beauty Summer Highlight Palette. She looks like this, absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love this palette so much. So I'm going to go into Saint-Tropez and Malibu, as those are my favourite colours. And just pop some onto my cheeks. Oh, such a gorgeous palette. And down my nose and on the Cupid's bow. So guys, this is my updated spring summer makeup, everyday makeup look that I've been rocking just lately. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Love you always. Bye guys.